Hi folks, Matt here from the Mountaineering Company. Thought we'd do a little video about winter motivation. We're just out on a trail run, trying to get motivated. It's really hard, isn't it? Feeling knackered. The weather's horrible. It's grey, drizzly. Probably sat in an office or sat at home trying to find motivation, watching videos and all this sort of stuff. So 3 little snippets of help, hopefully, that will help motivate people. So number 1, look at what you're doing in regard to like where you're going, where do you want to run, why you're running it. So pick something that's fun, maybe a little bit of an extra cycle or a drive to get there, catch the bus, whatever. Get somewhere where it's exciting, like trails, woods, whatever. Find something that motivates you, and that'll spur you on to feel a bit more zoned in. Number 2, pick a day when the weather's a bit nicer. If you're going out and the weather is absolutely grim, just knock it on the head if you're not feeling motivated. Finding a better day. This isn't about racing and about times, this is about getting your motivation back. That needs to be fixed before you can get any race results. And number 3, ditch the watch. Get rid of Strava, Garmin, Chorus, other brands are available. Ditch all that. Focus more on the enjoyment, pleasure of being out, the privilege of being in these beautiful environments, and all the rest will come back. But you need to find the reason why you go running. I've got the dog attached. He's ready to go. You need to find your motivation, and you also need to get psyched about running. And if you've lost your mojo, try those 3 little steps and see if that helps you get your mojo back.